Welcome. I am delighted to have you join the first lesson of our professional touch typing masterclass. While most people are accustomed to looking down at their keys, the hallmark of a true professional is the ability to type with lightning speed and absolute precision without ever glancing at the keyboard. This skill will not only save you hundreds of hours, but also transform the way you interact with technology. Let us begin this journey toward mastery. There are several rows on a standard keyboard, but the place where your fingers naturally find their home is called the home row. Let us focus on your index fingers for a moment. Gently place your left index finger on the F key and your right index finger on the J key. If you feel the surface of these keys carefully, you will notice a subtle raised line or bump on these two keys only. These are your anchor points. Even with your eyes closed, these physical markers ensure your hands are always in the perfect starting position. Your objective for today is incredibly simple. Without looking at the keyboard, try to find the bumps on the F and J keys using only your index fingers. Let your other fingers rest naturally in the row beside them. Avoid the temptation to look down. Trust your sense of touch. This small exercise is the bedrock of your future typing speed. Tomorrow, we will explore the rest of the home row positions. Thank you.